Mobile accessories you absolutely need right now. Stick around till the end because you won't want to miss accessory. You can find links to all the accessories we mentioned today down in the video description. The AI-powered voice recorder and call recorder, your ultimate tool for effortless recording, transcribing, and summarizing. With speech-to-text technology supporting over 100 languages, this device turns conversations into easy-to-read text in seconds. Whether it's meetings, interviews, or phone calls, you'll never miss a detail. Ever wondered what the world looks like up close? With the Apexel 200X Pocket Microscope lens, you can turn your smartphone into a powerful microscope, giving you a detailed view of everyday objects. Whether you're exploring the fine textures of a leaf or examining tiny details on a coin, this pocket-sized lens is perfect for on-the-go discovery. Just clip it onto your phone and dive into a whole new micro-world. Say goodbye to tired hands with the Basius Flexible Universal Neck Phone Holder. This innovative lazy necklace design keeps your phone perfectly positioned for streaming gaming or video calls. Its adjustable, flexible arm fits all devices and adapts to your comfort, whether you're lying down, sitting, or on the move. Lightweight yet durable, it's the ultimate hands-free accessory for home travel or anywhere. Next, we have the Basius Magnetic Car Phone Holder. This gadget makes navigating while driving a breeze. Its strong magnets securely hold your phone in place, allowing for easy access to GPS and calls without distraction. Installation is super simple. Just attach the magnetic plate to your phone or case, and you're good to go. Plus, it fits most car air vents, keeping your dashboard clean and organized. A must-have for any driver. Next on our list is the Universal Smartphone Rear Selfie Mirror Kit Clip. This nifty little gadget allows you to take perfect selfies with your rear camera, giving you the best quality shots. Simply clip it onto your phone and you'll be able to see yourself while using the rear camera. This is a game changer for anyone who loves capturing memories with friends or taking high-quality photos for social media. Boost your device's performance with the Hugibis HeatSink Heat Dissipation Magnetic. This compact yet powerful accessory is designed to combat overheating, ensuring your device stays cool during intense workloads. With its premium aluminum construction and magnetic attachment, it's easy to install and offers efficient heat dissipation for uninterrupted performance, whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking. For all you content creators, the Hohem iSteady M6 3-axis gimbal stabilizer is a must-have. This gadget allows you to shoot super smooth footage, whether you're vlogging, making TikToks, or capturing cinematic moments. It's compatible with most smartphones and is packed with features like gesture control, AI tracking, and even a built-in LED light. Plus, the 3-axis stabilization ensures you get buttery smooth video, no matter how shaky your hands are. The Huawei Envizon, a stunning 360-degree camera that captures your adventures in breathtaking detail. With its high-resolution capabilities, you can create immersive videos and photos that truly bring your experiences to life. Whether you're on a hike or at a party, this camera ensures you never miss a moment from any angle. It's perfect for content creators and travel enthusiasts alike. Next up is the JJC Selfie Bluetooth Camera Shutter. This little device is a game changer for anyone who loves taking selfies or group photos. Simply pair it with your smartphone via Bluetooth, and with the press of a button, you can snap stunning photos from a distance. It's perfect for those moments when you want to include everyone in the frame without having to stretch your arm. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. Say hello to the Langogo Mini Voice Microphone, your pocket-sized solution for crystal-clear audio on the go. This portable microphone is perfect for vloggers, podcasters, and content creators who need professional quality sound in a compact design. Featuring noise cancellation technology and seamless connectivity, it ensures your voice is captured with precision even in noisy environments. The Magic Array Wireless Charger Universal Qi. This stylish charger supports fast charging for a variety of devices, making it super convenient for your desk or bedside. With its sleek design, it's not just functional, it also adds a touch of elegance to your space. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to effortless charging. Next, we have the Mile-C Thermal Camera. This high-tech gadget transforms your smartphone into a powerful thermal imaging tool. It's perfect for home inspections, detecting heat leaks, or even exploring wildlife. The thermal camera provides clear images and can help you visualize temperature differences, making it a fun and practical gadget for anyone curious about the world around them. Looking for a secure, hands-free way to keep your phone charged and accessible in the car? Meet the MagSafe Car Phone Charger Mount. a magnetic phone holder that seamlessly combines style and functionality. With strong MagSafe magnets, your phone stays firmly in place even on bumpy roads while delivering a fast, reliable charge. Capture, store, and transfer like a pro with the Orico Magnetic External SSD, designed for the latest iPhone or any smartphone. Engineered for ProRes 4K and HDR recording, this portable SSD offers blazing fast 2000 megabytes per second speeds. Its magnetic attachment ensures secure, hassle-free connectivity, while its compact design fits effortlessly into your mobile workflow. Introducing the QC Melobuds Pro Ants, your ultimate audio companion. Immerse yourself in a world of pure sound with these stylish and powerful earbuds. It's seamless connection with minimal latency, making them perfect for music lovers and gamers alike. With an impressive battery life of up to 30 hours and customizable touch controls, the Melobuds Pro ensure you enjoy your favorite tunes or podcasts without interruptions. Looking for a compact, high-quality wireless microphone system? The Saramonic Blink 500 Pro X wireless lavalier is a perfect choice for vloggers, content creators, and anyone needing clear audio on the go. With its easy plug-and-play setup, this lapel mic offers crystal-clear sound up to 100 meters away. Turn your memories into vibrant keepsakes with the Sunshine C1 Mini Mobile Phone DIY Color Film Printer. This compact and portable device pairs effortlessly with your smartphone, letting you print stunning color photos anytime, anywhere. Perfect for scrapbooking, journaling, or creative gifts, the C1 uses advanced thermal transfer technology for sharp, high-quality prints. Customize your snaps with filters, text, and stickers through the easy-to-use app. It's a creative tool for making life's moments unforgettable. If you're serious about mobile videography, the Ulanzi Universal Smartphone Video Rig, your ultimate tool for stable, professional-looking shots. This lightweight phone cage is designed for creators on the go, featuring dual hand grips for steady filming and multiple cold shoe mounts for attaching lights, mics, or other accessories. Whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or shooting a short film, the Ulanzi rig ensures top-notch performance. We're taking a close look at the Ugreen Uno 100-watt GAN charger with its sleek robot design. This powerful charger uses advanced GAN technology to deliver an impressive 100-watt output, making it perfect for fast charging your laptops, tablets, and even high-powered devices. The unique robot-inspired design sets it apart from the usual chargers, offering both style and functionality. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget, all the links to these accessories are in the video description, so check them out and upgrade your mobile game today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.